Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are right now. Bis ng panahon. May ibabahagi po ako mga kaibigan tungkol po sa spiritual blindness. Basahin po natin mga kaibigan dito. Maganda po ito mga kaibigan. Ha? John chapter 8 verse 12. King James. Then spake Jesus again unto them, saying, I am the light of the world. He that followeth me shall not walk in darkness, but shall have the light of life. Imagine mga kaibigan, sabi ni Jesus Christ, I am the light of the world. Pero ano po ang sabi niya dito sa John chapter 1 verse 15? And the light shineth in darkness, and the darkness comprehended not. Imagine, sinabi niya, I am the light of the world. And then the light shineth in darkness. But the darkness comprehended not. Why? According dito sa according dito sa according dito sa 2 Corinthians chapter 4 verse 4, in whom the God of this world hath blinded the minds of them which believe not, lest the light of the glorious gospel of Christ, who is the image of God, should shine unto them. Ayan po. Binulag pala. Dahil binulag ng Diyos ng mundong ito. Kaya hindi nakikita yung light. Ayaw kasing maniwala, di ba? Kasi sabi dito in whom the God of this world hath blinded the minds of them which believe not. So, binulag yung mga mata ng taong hindi naniniwala. Lest the light of the glorious gospel of Christ, who is the image of God, should shine unto them. The gospel of Christ, ayaw maniwala, di ba? Sa gospel ni Jesus Christ. Kaya, yun, binulag yung kanilang mata.